In this video, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. Did you know that you can become affiliated with companies that will pay you when you recommend their products or services? Yes, my name is Raevonshae, the referral queen, and let's crack this code so we can make this money. How to start affiliate marketing for beginners. Let's get started. I'm going to share with you 3 platforms that will allow you to get started with them ASAP so you can start making money online. The first platform is Amazon. If you go to Amazon.com and scroll all the way to the bottom of the website, you'll see something that says Become an Affiliate. Once you click Become an Affiliate, it will allow you to sign up. After you click sign up, then you'll create your own Amazon account or sign in to proceed. Then you'll complete the application and you'll wait for them to approve you. After that, you'll be able to get a link to any products that's on the website, and you'll be able to recommend those products in your YouTube videos or on your social media accounts or anywhere when you start talking about those particular products. So Amazon is filled with opportunities. You can recommend camera equipment. You can recommend anything that's on the platform and make money from the sales or recommendations. Next is SHAREASALE. If you go to SHAREASALE, they have all different categories: fashion, beauty, accessories, automotive, credit. There are tons and tons of categories that you can select so that you can start creating a business with your affiliate marketing. All you have to do is sign up and wait for them to approve you, and there you have a world of opportunity. Big brands are on this channel. All you have to do is go on to the left, look for the category that you want to connect with, and then find the offers inside the category, and then you can start promoting whenever you get approved. The third platform is SYSTEME. SYSTEME is more like a business in a box. It's a software for business professionals and entrepreneurs and marketers. It allows you to create everything you need to build a home on the internet. So you can create your funnels because it has funnel software, your email marketing campaigns. If you're a coach and you want to create a course, the opportunity is on this platform. If you want a membership site, it's all back here in the SYSTEME platforms. And the best part about it is they give you a free trial so that you can test the software out. You can test the software out for an unlimited period of time, but you only get up to 2,000 subscribers in your email autoresponder. So you can test it out as long as you're within that range and see how it grows your business before you decide to upgrade. SYSTEME is a great platform because most of the platforms that you're going to apply for, they're going to ask you, what is your website? If you don't already have a website, SYSTEME is a great place to start so that you can create a site, even if it's a one-pager, so you can put it onto your Amazon application and your SHAREASALE application. So the first thing you want to do is get your SYSTEME platform set up so that you can appear as a professional when you apply for the platforms that's going to pay you with affiliate marketing. Allow me to show you around the SYSTEME platform. When you first sign up to your free account, you're going to see all the tabs across the top. Upgrade your account, dashboard, contacts, funnels, emails, blogs, automations, product sales, help, and your profile. So what you want to do is you want to go into funnels and create your first funnel. And you can decide if you want to build an audience, sell a product or service, build a custom funnel from scratch, or run an evergreen webinar. But we're going to go with build an audience. Click on create. And now you select a template for your first page of your funnel. This is your squeeze page. So let's decide which page we're going to select. All of these, as you scroll all the way down, you have all of these templates to choose from, so you don't have to worry about any techie stuff. All you have to do is select one, point, click, and go. Let's just select this one. Let's preview it. This is what it'll look like. And you can change everything on the page. You can change the picture here. You can delete these, or you can change the words. Everything can be changed. All you have to do is select the template and move on to the next step. So let's select this one and save. The green button is save. Now for your thank you page, after they sign in to the first page, you want them to go to a second page, which you'll either have your offer or your thank you page, where you're bridging the gap and sending them to another offer. So you have to set up your thank you page as well. So on your thank you page, all you have to do is click on it and then select the page for your thank you. So let's see. Something that's congruent with the first page we picked. This one is kind of similar. So I'll select this one to give it the same look and feel. Click select and save. Now you just created yourself a 2-page funnel. So you'll click on view funnel, and you can test your funnel by going in. When you click get started, it's going to automatically take you to your thank you page. Now you can go in, now that you know your buttons are working, you can go in and edit everything on the pages. You just want to get the pages to working and functioning correctly. So now guys, do you see how easy that was to create your first funnel? Now you can use this link. When you apply, you can use your link at the top to say you have your own website. And this is your website. This is your website that you'll give to the platforms that you're going to apply for your affiliate marketing. Use the link in my description to sign up with the System software, so you'll be coded to me and I'll get the credit for it as well. And also, System has an affiliate program. If you're in a business and you want to help other entrepreneurs build their business, you can show them how good this platform is and how it will help them create their lead pages or their funnel software or their email marketing campaigns or their membership sites or their courses and much more. You can recommend somebody to System and you'll get paid income every month when they pay. So these are the 3 platforms that you can get affiliated with that will start paying you when you recommend their products or services. I hope you got value from the video. Remember to click like, subscribe, and share this with other people. And stay tuned for the next video. Click the links in the description to get started with any of the platforms that I mentioned in the video. Have a great one. Bye-bye.